Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive essentials, exploring the best jacks for trucks. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a daily driver, finding the perfect jack is crucial. Let's lift your truck game to new heights, pun intended. Number 1. Big Red T83006 Jack, a heavyweight champion tailored for lifted trucks. Crafted with precision and muscle, this jack effortlessly hoists your rig, making maintenance a breeze. The robust build exudes reliability, ensuring stability even under the heaviest loads. Its sleek design complements the rugged aesthetic of your truck, turning heads in the garage. With a quick pump mechanism, you'll soar to new heights in no time. Elevate your truck and your garage game with the Big Red T83006, because every lift deserves a heavyweight hero. Number 2. TCE Trademark Jack. Tailored for lifted trucks, this jack redefines strength and reliability. With its robust build and precision engineering, it effortlessly tackles the toughest lifting tasks. Elevate your truck maintenance game with the TCE Trademark Jack's impressive lifting capacity and sturdy design. No more struggles, no more compromises, just seamless lifting for your towering ride. Trust the brand that speaks volumes in performance. Upgrade to the TCE Trademark Jack and experience the pinnacle of lifting excellence for your lifted truck adventures. Number 3. Touran's T83006W Jack is the undisputed heavyweight champion for lifted trucks. Crafted with precision and built to handle the rugged demands of off-road giants, this jack is a game-changer. Its robust construction instills confidence, effortlessly lifting trucks to new heights. The dual-purpose design seamlessly blends power and finesse, making it a must-have for any truck enthusiast. The T83006W doesn't just lift, it elevates your entire lifting experience, setting a new standard for performance. Trust Touran to deliver the power your lifted truck deserves, and let the T83006W be the driving force behind your next adventure. Number 4. Powerbuilt has revolutionized the lifting game with their exceptional jack, tailored for lifted trucks. This powerhouse of a tool effortlessly conquers elevated heights, making it a must-have for truck enthusiasts. Its robust construction and precision engineering ensure a seamless lifting experience, while the user-friendly design adds a touch of convenience to your garage. The Powerbuilt Jack doesn't just elevate trucks, it elevates your entire lifting game, embodying reliability and performance in every pump. Upgrade your garage essentials and experience the pinnacle of lifting prowess with Powerbuilt. Elevate your trucks, elevate your expectations. Number 5. E-Help, the game changer for lifted truck enthusiasts. This jack is an absolute powerhouse, effortlessly lifting your rig to new heights. Its robust design exudes durability, making it the ultimate companion for tackling off-road adventures. The heavy-duty construction ensures stability and safety, while the user-friendly features make operation a breeze. Say goodbye to the struggles of lifting a towering truck, E-Help has got you covered. Elevate your lifting experience with this must-have tool, because when it comes to quality and performance, E-Help takes the lead. Unleash the full potential of your lifted truck effortlessly. In conclusion, selecting the right jack for your truck is crucial for a seamless roadside experience. Whether you prioritize durability, lifting capacity, or portability, the options discussed cater to various needs. We hope this guide has empowered you to make an informed choice. Thanks for watching, and may your future journeys be punctuated with safety and efficiency.